Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about that how to calculate the value for range. Firstly understand that what is range. So range, it is the difference between the largest value and the smallest value in a data. So एक्चुअली रेंज बेसिकली है क्या, ये एक डिफरेंस है जो एक डेटा के अंदर लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू दिखेगी और एक जो स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू दिखेगी, उसका डिफरेंस इज रेंज. सो द फॉर्मूला विल बी रेंज इज इक्वल्स टू लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू which is denoted as L minus smallest value which is denoted as S. Okay, so the formula for range is L minus S, largest value minus smallest value. वन मोर फॉर्मूला जो हमको इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड सीखना है, दैट इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेंज. द फॉर्मूला इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेंज. सो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट? सो दिस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेंज इज L minus S, means range as it is upon L plus S. L is the largest value in a data and S is the smallest value. Okay, ऊपर नेगेटिव मतलब ऊपर सब्ट्रैक्ट होना है, नीचे प्लस होना है. सो दिस इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेंज 1 and 2. Only two formulas you have to learn for this topic. Okay, let's begin with the numerical part. Firstly, take in case of individual series. So first one is individual series. The formula remains same for all the three types of series. So individual series. Example I am taking as the values for x is 10, 3, 9, 8 and 5. Okay. So these are certain value. So the value for range. Range is, as I have already told you, the formula to calculate the value of range is largest value माइनस स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू. सो द लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू, सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू हमको दिख रही है इसमें 10 एंड स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू हमें दिख रही है 3. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ रेंज इज लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू माइनस स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू. 10 minus 3. So the value for range is 7. Now calculate the value for coefficient of range. So the value for coefficient of range, this is equals to largest value minus smallest value L minus S over L plus S. So the largest value is 10 minus smallest value 3 upon largest value 10 plus smallest value 3. So this is 10 minus 3 is 7 upon 10 plus 3 is 13. So this is approximately 0.538. I hope this is clear to you. The second type of series is discrete series, in which frequencies are also given along with the values of x. So the example is, taking a very simple example, calculate the value of range first. Range is equals to largest value minus smallest value. So the largest value, x की वैल्यूज में से हम लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू और स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू को देखेंगे. तो सबसे लार्जेस्ट हमको इसमें क्या दिख रहा है? 6 and smallest is 2. So the value for range is 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. The range is 4. Now calculate the value for coefficient of range. Coefficient of range. So that is L minus S over L plus S. Largest value in this example is 6 or smallest 2. So नीचे भी in the denominator also largest plus smallest, that is 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4 and 6 plus 2 is 8. Four divided by 8 is 1 by 2, that is equals to 0.5. So this is the value for coefficient of range for this example. Third type of series is continuous series. In which class interval or the group data is given. But the formula is same and solving part for the question is also same. Let's take a very simple example to clarify. Now calculate the value of range in case of continuous series. So range is equals to range, this is n. Range is equals to L minus S, largest value minus smallest value. Class interval में से लेना है, इस केस में largest value. So the largest value is 50 and the smallest value is 0. So 50 minus 0, that is equals to 50. So the value of range is 50. Now coefficient of range. The formula is L minus S upon L plus S. So largest value is 50 minus smallest value is 0. Largest value is 50, smallest value is 0. Minus in the numerator and plus in the denominator. So let's solve it. This is 50, 50 minus 50 is 50, and so 50 upon 50 will be 1. So the value of coefficient of range for this example will be 1. Okay. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to ask anything, please do comment in the comment section.